So, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the prediction of IELTS exam of 24th July. And this video is only for academic. So, let's just get started. And first of all, let's just talk about listening. So, there are chances that in the listening part 1 there will be one word fill ups that will be easy. In the part 2, there are chances that we can see MCQs and a map. And also the level of the part 2 will be easy. In the part 3, there will be MCQs mainly, and it would be easy to moderate. And part 4 is one word only, fill in the blanks, fill ups, and the difficulty of the part 4 would be moderate. Overall, the listening would be easy to moderate. Now let us go to the reading module. For the part 1, there are chances that there will be short answer questions, true false not given, and the part 1 would be easy. And for the part 2, there will be questions like which paragraph contains the information or list of headings, or we can also see yes, no, not given. And the level of the part 2 would be easy. And for the part 3, we can see matching, multiple choice question answers, and summary compilations. So the part 3 would be moderate. Overall, the reading would be easy to moderate. Now let's just talk about the writing module. And for the writing module, the task 1. In the task 1, there are chances that there will be a process chart, comparative chart, or map. And for the task 2, there are chances that there will be discussion and opinion essay. So this was the prediction on 24th July, only for academic. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.